We're making another type of rocket ship here, right? And this is how far we got last night. So the instructions were to take a straw, to take a piece of paper, imagine that, to fold it and cut along the folds into 4. So we have used one piece of our cut paper, put it around the straw and rolled. And here we go. And taped, yeah? It's got 3 pieces of tape, one at either end and one in the middle. Okay, and then it was dinner time, wasn't it? So we stopped. Yeah, be careful with the straws. We are using very thin straws. Pinch one end to make a nose. Manuel, could I have one of the rockets, please?
No.
I don't mind which one.
Chicken.
Green one or red one? Which one are you having?
You can have the red one.
I have the red one. Right. So, we are going to pinch. Crikey, that's a very little hole. But we are going to pinch the end to make a nose and tape it shut. Right. So, tape it like that and then just cut the extra tape off. Ooh. Okay. Let's have a look, baby. Did you pinch? Lovely. Great pinching, Emmanuel. Right, let me give you... So can you put your tape over the end? Let me start you off. And then you fold it over the end. How are you doing, Jamie?
Bad.
Why? Don't forget to pinch before you close your... Let's have a look. Make sure you're not right. Okay. There you go. Keep pinching. And I will cut your tape a little bit thinner.
How do we do it?
Well, we're not there yet. I've got a sneaky feeling these rockets are supposed to have wings as well. Right, let's see. So we're going to pinch, tape. You fold your tape over. Yeah, so that it's all the way around the edge. All the way over the nose, sorry. Fold it down. Did you watch Mummy do mine? Not quite, sweetheart. It's all, now it's all, no. You folded your tape, for your tape. Right, let me cut another piece. And I think we're getting there, Emmanuel, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you pinch your end. Let's just show one more time. Pinch your end, tape over, and then tape all the way over. And then what I did was, because they are so small, just trim. Right, okay, so next. Are you watching? Cut out triangles to make fins.
Mommy,
Okay, but we do need our little tails, don't we, to make them look more like rockets.
Mommy, watch.
Tape it shut. Yeah, I'm just watching the video.
What?
Here's the next bit. Okay, 4 fins. Place onto rocket straw and blow. Jamie, what do you think of our blowy rocket ship?
Good.
Is yours working?
Yeah.
You mean you can blow him? But he's not finished, does he? So we've got one. Is this one yours? One without wings. One with wings that doesn't blow. We assume we've rolled it too tightly. Where's the other one? One without wings that does blow?
Yep.
Yep.
Must be.
But yeah, the wings are very difficult to do as well. They're not quite at the right spec.
This one is with a hole.
It's got a hole?
Yeah.
Well, it's not going to work with a hole in the end, is it?
This one is got none. Please like this video and subscribe.
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 Wave.
Bye.
Bye.